Hey, I'm gonna move this camera over a little bit. Hi, my name is Mella. My channel name is Mella Yella. Thank you for being here with me today. I always put on a little bit of perfume before I start filming, but you guys don't usually know that. I'm using my Missy by Rosie Jane again. I feel like being, I don't know, sweet, flowery, hippie. I got this box in yesterday afternoon, and I'm so excited whenever I get this box. Even though it's not like a, I don't know, mainstream skincare, self-care makeup box, it's a box that makes me really happy. It is called Lips and Lather, and it is by Cut the Crap, and that means they keep all the good stuff and they cut the crap out of it. But if you want to find it online, you can look it up under Lips and Lather, or you can look it up under Cut the Crap and then go to the subscription box. And I love getting it. I've been really excited about this box. So this is our Halloween box, I do believe. So it says Halloween with the little pumpkin and potion bottle. What is this? Oh, it's spider web. I'm sorry about yesterday. It was way late in the afternoon, almost black, and I guess it just really made everything super dark. Sorry about my babies. See, Lips and Lather. Subscription box, and down here it says I Cut the Crap, and it says thanks Mella, happy fall, Krista on the back. She's very sweet. Definitely. Okay, October Lips and Lather. I hate to do that. I don't want to read what it says. I like to do the unboxing. She keeps it all nicely packaged. All right. I spy something blue. So let's see what this is first. I told her don't give me any bath stuff because of my interstitial cystitis. I can't take a bath. But then I felt like that really wasn't fair to you guys because you guys that are wanting to see what the box is like aren't getting to see the bath stuff. So this is a bubbling cauldron bath bomb that I told her, go ahead and put this in my box. I'll pass it along to somebody. And I guess I can put on my glasses and tell you guys what things say. What does it say? Bubbling cauldron, bubbling cauldron, bubbling cauldron. Bubbling cauldron bath bomb will turn your tub into a fragrant orange spice scented soak. Ooh. Now I put on that perfume, that's all I can smell. Oh, I see our bar soap for the month. Oh, it's so cute. It is Mardi Gras colors. It's the purple, beige, and green. And it's got little mushrooms on it. That is so cute. And I'm going to pass this one along. And I know just who I'm passing it to. But let's see what it says about it. Haunted Forest soap is speckled with pumpkin powder and features glow-in-the-dark mushrooms. Expose your soap to the sunlight and then enjoy their eerie glow when the lights go out. The soap is scented with an earthy blend of cedarwood, cinnamon, and patchouli. I can barely smell something. I wish I would have put that perfume on now. It's so cute. It's got glitter up here on the top, too. You guys can see the little heart. It's really pretty. That is a beautiful bar of soap. Yummy. Okay. Ooh, this is rather big. Pumpkin lotion ocean. I like that. Pumpkin lotion ocean. What does it say about this? Eye of Newt and Toa Frog have gone through this roof recently, so swipe Witch's Brew lip balm. Oh, I hate when I read that. Instead of green apple and caramel. Oh, wait. Features. Oh, God, that smells good, you guys. Ooh. It's very nice. Very, very nice. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. Lock it back up. Come on. Lock it up. Okay. What else did I get in here? I've got the lip balm. Witch's Brew lip balm. Instead features green apple and caramel. Oh. Oh, that is all kinds of delicious. I like that. And I think this is going to be my last thing in the box. And this says this little vial of spider venom lip gloss will bloom into lovely subtle pink shade while leaving a hint of cinnamon roll. Oh, I do have something else in here. I'm like, what are they about? Oh. Okay, so here's my spider venom. Look at this cute bottle, you guys. Oh my gosh, where did she get these from? You can see how teeny it is. Oh my gosh. I still don't even want to open that up. So we got the spider venom lip gloss. Oh my gosh. The pumpkin enzyme face wash. Boy, that looks like just pure pumpkin, guys. Look at that. Ooh, it smells like pure pumpkin, too. Pumpkin lotion. So we got our pumpkin lotion, our cauldron, our face mask, our delicious caramel apple. I love this bottle. I think it should be in front. I want to take a picture with all this stuff without it falling. I want this bottle to show. It's so cute. Yeah, I want that bottle definitely in front. And then we got our little soap. I think it's very cute this month. I hope everybody has a very safe and very happy Halloween. And if you're not celebrating Halloween, I hope you don't get bugged by nobody. And I hope that everybody has a very beautiful day. Mwah! I don't think this picture is going to make it, but we're going to try it. Bye, guys!